Guys, maglalaro na tayo ng Nido Tower. Viral na to, alam ko na to ulit. So, next world. Yan na. Nido Tower. Oh, hang on. Saan na? Ay, ito pala. Na. Oh. Ang, ang satisfying lang yun, guys. Uy, Kid Bricks ba to? Pero hindi ko ito man-try. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my. Like, ang satisfying yun. Muntik na. Bro, ah, I, bro, I fall. From the, oh my, finally I respawned where I was. You did the first one, second one, third one. So, muntik na ako nahulog. Talon, ano ba yan? Respawn mo lang ako. Mabuti nandito ako ulit. Talon, yan, yan. Oh, uy, reset ako ulit. Lagi ako nahuhulog eh. Bakit nanglalag ako? Okay na. Okay na pala ako. Talon? Bakit lag ako? Okay, okay lang ako. Talon? Okay, yan. 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 Uy! Hus! Okay na pala. Yan. 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 Ah, better. Oh! Mas maganda pa yung crack. Oh my god, Teo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Parang ang ganda ng... At hindi, nahulog ako. Alam nyo, ayaw nyo. No, ayaw ko man. Satisfying. Noy! For you guys, all of my subscribers and my favorite ones. Satisfying 5 CPS. Let's go. Ignore that. That was just nothing. Definitely, bro. At least I got a respawn from here. Butter. Oh my god! Wait. Please, bro. I have too much. Ah, can I get it? Wait. It all wax level. Oh my god. Wait. I'm going up here. Wait for it to regenerate. Oh. Oh. Oh my weird noises. D- uh, Thank you. Finally respawn. I have to be really so careful about this. No ba yan? Nahulog pa ako. Bilisan ko talaga to. Careful talaga ako when ang shift lock ako. Yan. Yan. Muntik na. Yan. Bakit ang hirap? Muntik na ako na.
This is the end.
450. Nahulog pa na. not just elephant back there. You can hear something. That's something. Please, no, no. Blah. No, I'm in your favorite. Please, please, yes, yeah, yes, yes. No. Blah. Really have to follow. Blah. Wait, what? Wait, I didn't talk about refund. How? Wait, you can sell needles? I swear I saw some sell needle thingy. Are you real? Sell needle. Oh, $100. I don't have $100. I'm broke. If you guys actually want to follow me, this is my username. You can type the link space 55 so you know that's actually me. Wait, wait, what? Am I blind? Oh, oh, ah! Sorry for all my minute. What was that? And why am I bald? Okay, I'm good. And why am I only? Oh, I'm playing on literal mobile, so I'm super laggy, bro. Oh, finally, jump, hoot, kablam. Oh my god, I literally what was that? Finally, bro. I'm playing on mobile, so sorry for the ladder. Sorry, what? It changes car. Oh my god. Wait. Yo, Cruz. What's up, Cruz? What's up, Cruz? Hi, Cruz. Okay. What? What? Oh, I didn't see it. Ow. Big balls. Paw. Some big balls. Pause. Pause. Wait, it's actually so tricky. I'm scared. Oh, goodness. No! I already know is this one, and I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Oh, this is the one. Play my checkpoint. This is actually so tricky. Wee! Wee! Oh my brr. Oh my god. This is fun. Dumpling. Am I black? This is some. Lubalaw na hulog ba ako? Siopaw. Tawag natin sa Philippines. I don't know. I forgot what it is. But, hmm? Hmm? This is it. Kinda weird. A little. Ooh. Think na ako. No, nabuhon. No. Sure. Talon dito. Yan. Yan. Lag, please. No. Ano ba yan? Puro lag. Talon. Yan. Nahulog pa ako. Ano? Yan, talon. Talon. Ano? Uy! Muntik na ako nahulog. Ano? Tricky to. Ano ba yan? Hindi ako makakross na ito kung gusto nyo ng part 2. Mga antay lang kayo at subscribe at notifications. Please subscribe. Bye!